Welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today we're gonna do a roast pork recipe or roasted pork recipe. In my pan here I got 4 pounds boneless pork loin roast, and I use my knife to perforate it in all these indentations on the pork. It's just for the marinade to penetrate to a certain degree. So I'm going to add a little more on this side, just stick them up a little. Okay, first I'm going to add some chopped garlic cloves, 2 garlic cloves chopped finely, then I'm gonna add half a teaspoon Jamaican pimento, otherwise called allspice. Hold on this side, and a little on the other side. Okay. Then I'm gonna add some black pepper to taste. Whoops. Okay, this is good enough for both sides. Black pepper to taste. Good enough for both sides. A little salt to taste. Just a little salt. About half a teaspoon. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon thyme leaves. Yeah. Okay. Then I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup soy sauce, gonna add a teaspoon sugar, and a tablespoon hot sauce. That's it for the marinade. Rub all of this together. And I put it marinate in my fridge for 24 hours. I have marinated the pork loin for 24 hours. How wonderful it looks, and it have a very nice aroma. I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and I'll be baking this pork loin for approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes. Okay, the pork chop I've completed the first 1 hour in the oven. This is how it looks, and it smells real good. See, I can penetrate it with the fork. How lovely it looks. Okay, I remove the cover. Now I'll be putting it back in the oven for 30 minutes to 45 minutes uncovered. By then it should be completed. Okay, the roast pork is finished, and how lovely it looks. Looking wonderful. Great aroma. Gonna garnish it with some parsley pieces. And I'm gonna cut a slice. This lovely roast pork. How wonderful it looks. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. I appreciate the viewership, also the subscriptions that I've received. I appreciate that very much. Thanks again.